Okay, there goes a Toyota RAV4. So there come the brushes. Here comes our Pontiac Grand Prix PV8. It's coming into Cale's car wash in Humboldt, Texas. This is a remake of the other video I took a while back. There's the foam applicators. There's the tire cleaners. Here comes the soap and a 2-basket front to back mirror. There's the tire brushes. There's the Toyota RAV4. There goes our Pontiac Grand Prix PV8. There's a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. And there we go. Look at the brushes. They're washing the car. There goes our car. And now there's some rocker panel brushes. And there goes the Toyota RAV4. There's a Jeep Wrangler X Unlimited and the Colorado SST. There goes the Pontiac Grand Prix PV8. There's the high pressure rinse Omni arches. We're gonna come over here and see our car. Recording. Look at my car. My car is going to the wheel washer. There's another mirror curtain. There goes my car. Now I'm gonna come over here to the final wash area before our car gets rinsed and dried. And the other thing, it's rinsing the car. There's the spot-free rinse. The Toyota RAV4 is leaving. And now our car, it's getting dried. Watch the water blow right off. It's waiting for the car behind. It's waiting for the car behind our car. And yeah, they're gonna polish it up. And the water goes away. And we have a nice and clean car. Hey, Mom. Say hi. Hi. Look, Mom. They're gonna polish up the car. They're cleaning it. They're cleaning the interior. Just gonna make a left so they can dry it off. It's getting off the windshield. Our car is going away. And I don't see our car, but there it goes. And they're gonna polish up the car. And also they're gonna dry it off. Okay? So our car, it's all clean. So thanks for watching.